All right, so it's going to be a little bit entertaining. So we're going to show off the Chrome extension and some of the advanced features for web editing. All right. So very first step, you need to install the extension. The link will be in the YouTube video. You can search for the word Sociable in the Chrome Web Store, and you should find it. All right, it's the one with the orange icon. Add to Chrome. Yes, it can read your website. That's why I want it. Okay, so after the extension gets installed, it temporarily shows up here, okay, and it opens up this install page. This install page is a very, very important because webcam and microphone permissions for Chrome extensions are weird. Okay. If you do not enable the webcam and the microphone on this page, they will never work in the sidebar panel. And there's really no easy way to fix this. Okay. I'll show you how to fix it if you get down in this situation, but it's not easy. All right. So please go through these steps. Enable webcam, allow while visiting the site. If you do allow this time, you're still going to be broken, right? Because there's no way to give permission later. Once you get one chance, once you've done it, you can't do it again. Okay. Now enable microphone. Okay. Buttons disappeared to confirm. Yes, it works. Okay. Now you need to show the panel. Boom, it shows up. It'll show up on whatever it is the last pages that you looked at. All right, so let's put that back on home. All right, now this last step, please do this. Thumbtack icon to pin it right here. Click. All right, that makes it so you can go like this, and it goes open, and it goes closed, and it goes open, and it goes closed. Very exciting. Okay, now we've got that working. Let's actually build a bot. All right, and just shove you back on the feed for now. All right, open up our feed here. Nope, not that one. Doop, create bot, Python bot, and web thing bot. Great. Okay. So in the docs, if you go down to web page, there's an example here. Okay. So copy that, paste. Oop, not the main PY, not that, just the source code. Okay. This uses another Python package dependency, HTML to text. So let's add that into the requirements. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's not add it so you can see what an error looks like. Okay. All right. So we didn't add it here. Cool. Let's just see how things go. It is important you have to add in the web tag. So web tag. Cool. All right. What the web tag does is enable this function to get invoked, which is web page updated. So if this bot is being used inside of the sidebar panel and you change your web page, you will get notified. Okay. You can see it will send a little message every time you get notified. All right. So go to chat, go over to, oh, sorry, hadn't actually created a chat. Apologize. You need the chat tab here because otherwise you can't chat with it. Duh. And it will say chat. All right. That's just to get the chat open. So you can see now that's showing up here. All right. So I have that guy showing up inside of the sidebar panel or the chat. And you can see, so all the source code here. I go hit logs. Oh, look, no module named this. You did an import and the thing doesn't exist. All right. Well, now we're debugging stuff. Let's add the dependencies, trigger it. Boop, boop. You can see, oh, look, it installed. It got the function for message direct, but didn't do anything. All right, what is this thing actually going to do? What this thing does is it invokes this every time the web page changes. All right, so let's go. Boom. Oh my God, you're viewing Google News. And then give some commentary on it. All right, so Zelensky regrets blah, blah, blah. All right, so Trigger, trigger, trigger. Yeah. So a lot of web pages it doesn't understand because there's so many ads on them. All right, let's try this one. See if we can figure out what that is. Mhm. Okay, so this one, the Google Chrome is finally killing the favorite extension. Very appropriate. All right. So I can say this web page is not a news story in the classic sense, but it's a blog post or an article, blah, blah, blah. And it says it lacks objectivity. The headline is sensationalized. It lacks depth, promotional content, lack of fact checking. It really goes to town on how terrible this news story is. And, I don't think it's far off. I think this is like 85% of my view is some sort of blinking ad. So this is some low value content right here. Anyway, gives you a quick example how to create a bot that pays attention to your page, extracts the relevant text, and then does some LLM processing on it. All right. And try to come up with some creative uses for this.